ECM multi-speed blower motors are all about those 24-volt signal wires telling the motor what speed to run at, so knowing how these control wires work can totally save your day when troubleshooting or setting one up. So, here's the scoop. Each of those 24-volt signal wires is like a speed selector for the motor. Only one wire gets power at a time, and whichever one is energized tells the motor to run at that specific speed. If you've got a problem with the blower not changing speeds or just stuck on one, checking these wires is step one. Make sure the control board sends the right voltage to the right wire, because if those signals get crossed or lose power, the blower won't behave right. Also, remember that loose connections or corroded terminals can mess with these signals, so giving everything a good look and tightening any suspect spots helps a lot. When installing, label your wires so you don't mix them up, because each wire corresponds to a specific speed setting. And if you're swapping out an old motor for an ECM type, double-check the wiring diagram since it might be different from what you had before. Keeping your wiring clean and double-checked means less head-scratching later. One of the biggest mistakes with ECM multi-speed blower motors is mixing up the 24-volt signal wires, which either causes the motor to run at the wrong speed or not at all. Fix this by carefully following the wiring diagram and labeling wires before disconnecting anything. Another common issue is having more than one signal wire energized at once, which can confuse the motor's control system and cause erratic behavior. Always test your control board outputs to ensure only one signal is live at a time. Lastly, ignoring poor connections or corrosion on wiring terminals can lead to intermittent speed control problems. Cleaning terminals and tightening connections often solves these annoying issues. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors without all the hassle. For contractors, it's a great way to score new jobs and build a solid reputation in their area.